Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pin websites to Safari start page. I just opened my Safari browser and in Google search bar I will just type a website of Wikipedia Commons. When it's open, so I will just tab on this browser which is right below, and you will be just tab on this tabs of website and just hold it this website and just tap to pin tab, and you will see on the top this website is pinned. You can also just hold it another one website like this apple.com, again tap to the right below tab, hold it pin to tab, and you will see the top is two pins websites on Safari. It's very easy and simple. You can pin the tab on Safari browser. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.